Most Muslims were told the stock market is haram. Nobody explained why. Nobody showed the alternative. This guide fixes that. UK, US, Australia, Europe, UAE, and South Asia. The belief that stocks are completely haram has kept millions of Muslims away from wealth for generations. Parents passed it to children. Nobody questioned it. The result: Muslim savings sitting in conventional accounts earning riba while trying to avoid it. A stock is a small piece of ownership in a company. Buy one Apple share, you own a fraction of Apple. 5 friends buy a shop, each owns 20%. That is a stock. Islam has always permitted business partnerships. This is the foundation. The scholarly consensus based on AAOIFI standards. Stocks are permissible with 3 conditions. The company's primary business must be halal. Its financial ratios must pass Islamic screening. And you purify any incidental haram income earned. Check 1. What does the company do? 6 categories are ruled out automatically: alcohol, gambling, weapons, pork, interest-based finance, adult content. If more than 5% of revenue comes from any of these, the stock fails. No exceptions. Check 2. Even a halal business fails if it borrows too much on interest. 3 limits from AAOIFI. Interest-based debt under 33% of market cap. Interest income under 5% of revenue. Receivables under 33% of total assets. Zoya App does all the screening for you. Free on iOS and Android worldwide. Type any company. Get an instant halal result with a full breakdown. Apple halal, Tesla halal, Barclays, Haram Bank. Check every stock before you buy. UK Muslims, 4 options. Wahid Invest from £100, Halal ISA, FCA regulated, 12 minutes to open. Cur 8 Capital for private equity. iShares MSCI Islamic ETF on any brokerage. Al Rayan Bank for profit share savings with 0 riba. US Muslims, 4 options. Wahid Invest from $100, SEC regulated, SP Funds S&P 500 Sharia, ETF on NYSE. Available on Fidelity, Schwab, Robinhood. Amana Funds since 1984. 40 years of track record. Azzad for full wealth management. Australia. Hejaz Financial Services for halal super and investments, ASIC regulated. MCCA since 1989. Europe. Wahid Invest EKU across France, Germany, Netherlands. Nomo Bank for Islamic digital banking with profit share savings. UAE, Emirates Islamic Bank, and ADIB, both CBUAE regulated full halal investment products. Pakistan, Meezan Bank, the gold standard, SBP regulated. Bangladesh, Islamic Bank Bangladesh, largest Islamic bank in South Asia by deposits. A Halal ETF is a basket of hundreds of screened halal companies in one purchase. No individual stock research needed. Best options: iShares, MSCI, Islamic for UK and EU, SP Funds, SPUS for US, Wahid FTSE USA, Sharia ETF available on Wahid directly. If your portfolio exceeds the nisab threshold and has been held 1 lunar year, Zakat is due. Majority position, pay 2.5% of total portfolio value annually. A £10,000 portfolio means £250 Zakat. Set a fixed annual date. Many Muslims pay on the 1st of Ramadan. Already invested in haram without knowing. You are not sinful for the past. Calculate haram earnings using Zoya. Donate that amount to charity as purification, then switch to halal. Day trading is generally impermissible. Garar. Only Sharia-screened ETFs are halal. Dividends from halal companies are permissible. Start today. Download Zoya app. Free. Open Wahid. Invest from £100. Set a monthly direct debit, even £50. Calculate Zakat annually and pay it first. Bookmark ifg.vc for research. Under £5,000. Start with Wahid, £5,000 to £50,000. 70% halal ETF, 20% gold, 10% savings. Above £50,000, add halal property. The stock market is not your enemy. Ignorance was. Comment your country below. UK, US, Australia, Europe, UAE, South Asia. Subscribe to guided series. New halal finance video every week.